Welcome back to Good Morning Arkansas. I'm joined by Robert Harper with Sunflower Flour. And Robert, I am so excited to learn one of your amazing recipes.
Well, thank you, Anthony. It's a pleasure, always a pleasure to be back in Little Rock, and I'm looking forward to cooking with you again today.
All right, let's get started.
All right, ready. Today we're going to be talking about making yeast rolls.
Okay.
And a lot of people have trouble with it, and I have also struggled with getting yeast rolls because I have a tendency that the yeast wants to die or something, I've done do something wrong, and then they come out flat.
Right, I've killed my yeast plenty of times.
Yes. So there's several things to know about yeast, and one is it does not like hot temperatures. But when you're prepping it and getting it ready to bake, it needs to be lukewarm or tepid. First thing I've done was I've scalded some milk, about 3/4 of a cup of milk, and then I've added 2 tablespoons of shortening, vegetable shortening to it, and 1/4 of a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. And then I stirred it all up, and you see the shortening in here is melted. In the meantime, I also have been softening my yeast, and I took 1/4 of a cup of water and I poured 1 package of quick yeast into it. And if you put your finger down in there, you'll see that that's really quite cool to the touch.
Yeah, that's not warm at all.
That's right. Cooler is going to be better for softening your yeast.
Okay.
And so now that I've done that, I need to add a cup of flour to my dough here. I'm just going to stir that in with a spoon. It's okay here if it's a little bit lumpy. Put the 1 egg in. I'm just going to break that in. As you can see, the dough is a little bit on the lumpy side, and that's okay, because we're going to add more flour later, and that will kind of even out after a while. But now I'm going to pour my yeast and water in here.
And just mix that together?
Stir it up like that. That's right.
It looks a little liquidy. Will that thicken up?
It will.
Okay.
We're going to add more flour. That's how we're going to fix that.
Oh.
So,
what do you want that final texture to be like?
Well, it's going to be called a soft dough, and you'll get a chance to see that in just a minute. And if you put too much flour in there, you can always add just a touch of milk to it to loosen it up, for instance. Okay. Now that's starting to look like a ball of dough. So now this is ready to be kneaded. So we're going to spread some flour on the table here. Just kind of do it like that. I'm going to pull my ball of dough out here, and you see it's pretty sticky still. But that's okay. Well, that's part of what the flour on the table is for. This will make about, about 15 to 20 rolls. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of folding it, I'm pushing with the heels of my hands here, just like this. And kind of folding it over, and then pushing it again, and I'm going to fold it over a couple times and push it again. And eventually it will start to come together and give a little resistance.
Yeah.
And that's kind of about what you want. So I'll knead this a little bit more. And that's about ready now. So now I'm going to put this in a greased bowl, and we're just kind of roll it around a little bit to kind of do that. And we're going to we'll cover that up with some plastic wrap and put that in the refrigerator. And you could do this the day ahead of time and put it in the refrigerator overnight. You can also let it rise for about an hour or so now, if you want, and then make it into rolls. So it kind of depends on your schedule. That's the beauty of a refrigerator dough roll recipe, is that it's got some flexibility to it. After you've made your dough and you maybe put it in the refrigerator overnight and you're ready to cook it, it will rise just a little bit in the refrigerator, even though it's cold. And so all you do is you just kind of take your fist and you kind of punch it in like that. Exactly.
That looks fun.
Twice, and it just comes out and it just kind of deflates it a little bit, and that makes it ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a cloverleaf roll, which is just 3 little balls in each cup. And actually, you could help with this. Just pinch off amount the size of a grape, roughly, and roll it into a ball.
Is this your typical shape you go with?
This is what I usually go with, but you can make many other shapes. You can make little bow ties, you can make little logs and kind of tie them up like a pretzel, sort of.
Yeah.
And after we've done this, then we're going to let them rise, or proof is sometimes called. And the dough will like a room or a space that's about 80 degrees best.
Okay.
At least 75, otherwise it won't really rise very well. So I've been proofing some rolls in the oven for about an hour. It's about how long these need to proof.
Okay.
And I'm going to pull them out so we can all see what the difference is. And this oven is not hot. It's just,
I
say, it's the very lowest possible temperature.
Okay.
And you can see those have risen up. They've about doubled in volume.
Right.
That's approximately right. And these are risen. They are ready to be baked. So we're going to put them in an oven at 400 degrees and bake them for about 15 minutes, maybe 20, depending on how fast your oven is.
Okay.
So we're going to do that. We'll put them in here and get those going.
Wow, so Robert, those look so great.
I think these look pretty good too. They're nice and brown on the outside.
Yeah.
And they've ground up nicely, which the sugar helps out a little bit. It doesn't make them really sweet to the taste, but it does help with the color and the browning reaction. And you just kind of put them out. You might have a pan you want to put them in, but they should just tip right out like that. Hopefully they don't get on the floor.
And then looks so good.
They'll be very hot to the touch right out of the oven.
Sure.
But give them a minute or two, serve them up, put some butter on them, whatever your family likes.
Yum. Robert, thank you so much for showing us how to make some of these recipes. I'm definitely going to have to try them at home for sure.
Well, it's a pleasure, and I hope everybody's inspired to do more baking this year.
All right, we'll have more Good Morning Arkansas after the break.